Hello guys, welcome to Poseidon YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe us. Here's some rumors about Crysis Remastered leaked, coming to Switch. Crytek is bringing its classic first-person shooter Crysis Remastered to Switch. That news comes from the series' official website, which even includes a key piece of art for the game, which we have above. After being inactive since the end of 2016, the official Crysis 2016 sprung back to life earlier this week. Many have been expecting some sort of announcement for the series since then. Technically, today's news about Crysis Remastered counts as a leak. The key art is embedded within the source code of the site's cookie page and not normally accessible. It also has a note stating, Crysis Remastered brings new graphic features, high-quality textures, and the CryEngine's native hardware and API-agnostic ray tracing solution for PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and, for the very first time, Nintendo Switch. This will be the first time that Crysis is appearing on a Nintendo platform in any form. Warface, which was made by Crytek Kiev, landed on Switch earlier this year. Here's some information about Crysis from its original 2007 release, Adapt to Survive. An epic story thrusts players into an ever-changing environment, forcing them to adapt their tactics and approach to conquer battlefields ranging from newly frozen jungle to zero-gravity alien environments. Suit Up, a high-tech nano-suit allows gamers to augment their abilities in real time on the battlefield. Players can choose to enhance their speed, strength, armor and cloaking abilities to approach situations in creative tactical ways. Customizable weaponry, a huge arsenal of modular weaponry, gives gamers unprecedented control over their playstyle. Blow the opposition away with experimental weapons, discover alien technology, and utilize custom ammunition from incendiary-tipped rounds to tactical munitions that can silently put foes to sleep. Veni Vidi Vici, lifelike enemy AI challenges players to assess a situation and approach it strategically. It isn't about having the fastest trigger finger, players are challenged to be proactive in the fight, not reactive. Zero-G gameplay, battle a horrifying alien species in a true zero-gravity environment, where physics change everything as players must adapt to moving in zero-G and contending with the recoil from their weapons and more. Next-generation graphics, built from the ground up using Crytek's proprietary CryEngine 2, Crysis's visuals define state-of-the-art, with full DX10 support and scalable options to deliver solid performance on older machines. Open, physicalized world, choose your own path through the open world of Crysis, destroying obstacles, driving vehicles from tolls to boats, and using the environment itself against your enemies. This is an excerpt from NintendoEverything.com. Total credits goes to original copywriter, NintendoEverything.com. No copyright infringement intended. Again. Don't forget to subscribe us. Because new rumors are waiting for you in here.
They call me Prophet.